Most people are going to roll into 2026 with big dreams, but absolutely no plan. But the people who actually get richer next year, they're not the ones making huge money. They're the ones building tiny, repeatable habits. So, today, I'm going to walk you through the simple habits regular people use to quietly build wealth. And you can start them this week. Most people don't have a money problem. They have what I call an action gap. They intend to save more, invest more, spend less. But intentions don't build wealth. Systems do. If 2026 is going to be the year you get ahead, you need habits you can do even on your worst days. Not huge goals that fail the moment life gets busy. And that leads us straight into habit number 1. Because this one fixes the action gap instantly. This habit is stupidly simple and insanely effective. Once a week, upgrade one thing by just 1%. Save 1% more, invest 1% more, cut 1% of spending, or improve a skill by 1%. You barely feel it. But after a year, those tiny upgrades stack up into something big. But what if you feel like, I don't have any extra money to work with? Then you need this next habit. Alright, this one saves so many people so much money. Whenever you want to buy something non-essential, wait 24 hours. That's it. Most "I need this right now" feelings disappear by the next day. And all that leftover money? That becomes investment fuel. Speaking of investing, there's a habit that quietly builds wealth even if you're super inconsistent. This is the wealth hack of regular people who end up doing surprisingly well. Investing should not be complicated or require constant input. It should be a habit that happens in the background. Automate a tiny weekly investment. It could be $5 or $20, whatever doesn't hurt your weekly budget. Once it's automatic, there's no arguing with yourself. It just happens. Your future self will thank you for this one. But investments only grow if your income does too, which is where the next habit becomes a game changer. Rich people don't try to learn everything at once. They focus on one small skill at a time. Try this for 2026. Each month, learn or improve a skill. For example, January could be learn better email writing, while February can be basic spreadsheets. March could be a simple skill your job or industry rewards, while April could be a freelance skill you can sell. One skill per month. Not overwhelming, not stressful, just steady progress. But none of these habits matter unless you do this one tiny weekly habit that keeps everything on track. This next habit takes literally 5 minutes. Once a week, ask yourself, how much did I save or invest? What did I waste money on? What's one thing I can improve next week? That's it. 52 tiny adjustments across the year. This habit alone can change your entire financial trajectory. So how do you actually turn all of this into a real plan for 2026? Don't wait until your New Year goals are out of reach. Start today. None of this requires massive income, just small, consistent habits. That's how regular people quietly become wealthy. As you progress towards your financial goals, you will need to level up your habits. Check out this video here if you want to learn 10 of the daily habits the wealthy use to succeed.